So cooking this morning, we're going to do and make some red beans and rice. Not just any. We are doing the Camellia brand using the red kidney beans. We are going to follow package directions because I was told that's the best way to do it. And I'm going to catch a still picture of this so we can do it, but it calls for 1 pound of red kidney beans. In this case, we have a 2-pound bag. Half pound of ham or seasoning meat, 8 to 10 cups of water, 1 onion chopped, 1 toe of garlic, optional, 1 tablespoon of celery chopped, 2 tablespoons parsley chopped, a large bay leaf, salt to taste. Double this recipe if we're using a 2-pound bag. Okay.
Leader. You talk with our customers, you work with our designers, you travel overseas and maintain the relationships with the diamond cutter.
I'm not getting enough oil to really do what I want, so I'm just going to go ahead and add my veggies into here. So there's my onions and the celery in there with their meat. Let me get my garlic. So we got 2 toes of garlic in here. We got onions in here. We got our celery in here. We got our meat. Over here we got the beans starting, just staying on simmer. And if you follow these directions here, once we get the stuff all done, we're going to get the vegetables cooked down. I'll add a bay leaf here in a little bit, and I'll put the beans all together. It's a good time to combine my meat, onions, garlic, celery, we got the parsley stuff, be adding the bay leaf and seasoning into here, and then I'll add that. So I need 1 large bay leaf. These aren't that big, and that's 1 per pound. I got 2 pounds. There's my bay leaves. I heard this pronounced by a Cajun, cherie or something like that, and I'm sure I'm wrong, so I'll be measuring this on in. Use like salt. When it's salty enough, it's a seasoned to perfection. We'll start here. I can see that I'm getting a little lower in water, so I'll add some here in a minute. But I'm going to add my meat and all the other goodies before I put it back on the fire. Okay, so we have my water starting for rice. I've got my red beans working, and we got a hot dog. Well, it's not just a hot dog. It is a jalapeno and cheddar cheese smoked sausage. I actually really like these. These ran for like a little under $4 at Walmart. And as you can see, it's a pretty big package. And they're definitely bun length. Okay.
More up and down, Elijah.
We have Elijah's Hot Pocket. Sean's jalapeno and cheddar.
It's not
hot
Elijah.
dog. Rice that's simmering, getting done. And the red beans to go with the rice. Yes, sir. We're still simmering beans, so I'm getting ready to start burning some of the kitchen scraps because we don't want to leave those around. Sean's not ready to eat that yet, but if you look over here, oh yeah, I threw a piece of celery in because I had it, and I'm going to pull that out here in a minute, put a little bit of that Creole season on, and I'm going to eat that celery hot. Over here, we got the beans still working. Oh, sorry, holding the button there by accident. Got me some rice. And let me let that clean out just a little bit of juice, but that's ready to go. So I'm gonna have me some red beans and rice. Yes, sir. We have some red beans and rice.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that's the flavor. Okay, so I got one bite left of my red beans and rice. We got a little bit of meat just sort of smoking and cooking, and Sean never did eat his breakfast sausage, so it's still down there. But again, red beans and the rice is over there. Haha. Good stuff. And stuff you can make when you're out in the woods. Real food, fresh, and worth doing. What is this mountain house stuff people talk about? Because this is what food should be like. Real beef, real red beans and rice. And real gone. Alright guys, well hopefully we'll run into you in the woods sometime. See you later. Bye.